A very good morning, one and all. Welcome to 6th standard maths class. Today in this class we are going to discuss about first chapter, the last concept, that is exercise 1.3. It is nothing but it is only based on estimate. In the previous class we already discussed about estimate, nothing but rounding off. Clear? Rounding off to 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000, that we have already discussed in the previous class. And also we have already discussed about Roman number system. Clear? Therefore we are moving on last exercise regarding the first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. Clear? First one, estimate each of the following using the general rule. That means you have to estimate nothing but round off. Clear? Regarding this problem, they not mention that round off to 10, round off to 100, round off to 1000, like that they not given. But they given that estimate each of the following by using the general rule. Clear? General rule nothing but we have to always rounding off to 1000 place. First thing you have to remember that we are always rounding off to 1000 place. Clear? In the problem they given 1000 place means directly we have to round off to 1000 place. Clear? In the problem they not given 1000 place means they given 100 place. That means you have to go with 100 place round off. Clear? See here regarding the exercise 1.3 first problem A. 730 plus 998. Regarding these two numbers, it is all start with 100 place. Clear? Start with 100 place. That means you have to round off for 100 place. Clear? You have to round off for 100 place. Here in the 100 place it is 7. Here also in the 100 place it is 9. Clear? You already know that how to round off. ಈಗ ನೀವು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that time you have to see the 10 place digit. Regarding the 10 place it is 3. You already know that regarding the digit, this one next digit, it is more than 5. Clear? More than 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If it is more than 5 means 7 become 8. If it is less than 5 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Less than 5 means 7 become 7 only. Clear? Here we are going to round off for 7. Clear? 10 place it is 3. It is 3 means below 5. 7 become 7. It become 700 plus. Next. Here 100 place is 10. 10 place it is 9. Regarding the 10 place it is 9. You already know that 9 it is more than 5. Clear? If it is more than 5 means 9 become next number. 9 become next number means that is 10. It become 1000. Now you have to add 1000 plus 700. That means you can neatly do the rough for 1000 plus 700. That becomes 0, 0, 7, 1. Therefore final answer is 1700. Clear? The final answer is 1700. Next we are moving on. Second problem. Second one. B. Now see the second one. B. The problem is 796 minus 314. 796 minus 314. Again regarding these two number also it start with 100 place. That means you have to round off for 100 place. Here it is 7. 100 place is 7. Clear? Now come to 10 place digit. It is 9. 9 means it is more than 5. That means 7 becomes 800 minus. Now 100 place is 3. 10 place is 1. That means it is below 5. Below 5 means 3 become 3 only. It is 300. Now we can do rough work. That is 800 minus 300, 0, 0, 8 minus 3, that is 5. Therefore, final answer for second problem, that is 5. Clear? Next we are moving on, third one. C. That is 12,904 plus 2,888. Clear? 12,904 plus 2,888. Clear? You already know that one of the general rule, nothing but first we have to go through with 1000 place. Regarding the estimate, we have to round up for 1000 place. That means 0 ones, 10, 100. Now it is 1000 plus. That means you have to round up for this 1000 plus. That is true. Again here also ones, 10, 100. Now it is 1000 plus. Now you are going to round up for 1000 plus. Here 1 is as it is. Clear? Now we are going to round up for 1000 plus. Now we have to see the 100 plus. 100 place digit. The 100 place digit, it is more than 5. That means 2 become 3, 0, 0, 0. That completely become 30,000. Now it is completely become 30,000 plus. Here we are going to round up for again 1000 place. Here 1000 place digit is 2. Here 100 place digit is 9. That means it is more than 5. 2 become 3, 0, 0, 0. Again we have to add 13,000 plus 3,000. That is 0, 0, 0. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 carry. Therefore total answer is 60,000. Next D. Next it is D. That is 28,292 minus 21,496. Clear? 28,292 minus 21,496. Regarding the general rule, first we have to round up for 1000 place. Here the 1000 place it is 8. Here also 1000 place it is 1. First we have to place the 1000 place. Allige this 2 as it is. Clear? Again now we have to round up for 8,292 ಗೆ round up ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here now observe the 100 place. Now 100 place it is below 5. That means 8 become 8. Therefore total it become 28,000. Again 2 as it is. Next 1 it is in the 1000 place. Now see the 100 place. 100 place digit is 4. It is below 5. Again 1 become 1, 0, 0, 0. Now you have to add 28,000 plus 21,000. You can add here 28,000. Another one is 21,000. 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore, final answer is 49,000. Clear? Now, this is the exercise 1.3 first main. Now, we are moving on second main. Next, exercise 1.3 second main. Second main also it contains total 4 problems. I will show 2 problems. Remaining 2 problems it is for HW, C and D problem. I will show A and B problem. Neatly observe here. Regarding the second main, here also it is a estimate problem. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to 100 and also you have to rounding off to 10. Eradu type round off for. First we are going to round off for 100 plus. Second again we have to round off for 10 plus. See. First one, rounding off. Rounding nearest 100. Here it is a 100 place. Now this is the 10 place. Now 10 place digit it is below 5. That means 4 become 4. It become 400 plus. Now this is 100. Now this is the 10 place. Again it is below 5. 3 become 3. That become 300 plus. Now we are going to round up for 100 place. Now this is the 10 place. Clear? Now again 1 it is below 5. Therefore 3 become 3. First we have to write 4. 3 become 3 and 2 0. Now we have to add the 3. That is 400. Then 300. Then last one 4300. 0 0. Correct? 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. 0 1 carry. 4 plus 1 that is 5. Therefore total answer is rounding off to nearest 100, that is 5000. Now we are going to rounding off to nearest 10. Next, rounding off to nearest 10. Rounding off to nearest 10. Now neatly observe here. Now see the 10 place. Now this is 10 place. Clear? Now this is 10 place. Now this one is the 10 place. Now we have to observe the 10 place. Rounding off to 10. Here 10. 4. First one as it is. Now see the 3. It is in 10 place. We have to see the next digit. That means you have to see the ones place. Clear? That means here ones place digit is 9. It is more than 5. Therefore 3 become, that is 4 0 plus. Next again 3 as it is. Now see the ones place digit. It is below 5. 3 become 3. That is 3. Next one 0. 330 plus 4 3 down. Clear? Now 1 it is in the 10 place. 7 it is in the ones place. 7 it is more than 5. That means 1 become 2. That is 20. Clear? Now we have to add. That is 440, 330, 4320. 0. Clear? 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 4 9. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. 0. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5. Therefore the final answer is 5090. 5090. Regarding the rounding off to nearest 100, it becomes 5000. Rounding off to nearest 10, it becomes 5090. It is the exercise 1.3 second main first problem. Clear? Make it take down. I will show second one. B. Second one. Again we have to round off for 100 place and also we have to round off for 10 place. That means second one is B, that is 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Clear? 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Here we are going to round off for 100 place. 7 it is in the 100 place. Correct? Remaining the digit first we have to write 1, 0 and 8. Clear? Now see the next 10 place digit, that is 3. That means below 5. Below 5 means 7 becomes 7 and 00. Finish. Minus. Here 100 place is 5. Remaining 2 digit 4, 7 as it is. See the 10 place digit 9 more than 5. 5 becomes 6. That is 20. Now we have to subtract 1,08,000 minus 47,600. 0 0 0 0 0 0. 7 minus 6 1. Clear? 8 minus 7, again 1. It is 0. We have to take borrow from the next digit, become 10. 10 minus 4, it is 6. Therefore, final answer is 61,100. Rounding off to nearest 100. Now we are going to rounding off to nearest 10. Clear? Nearest 10. See here. Nearest 10. This is digit. That means 4 digit we have to take down neatly. 1, 0, 8, another one is 7. Clear? Now we see the ones place. Ones place digit is 4. That means below 5. 3 becomes 3. That is 3 0. Minus. Again, this one. This is the 10 place. Clear? Again 3 digit 4, 7, 5. Correct? Now it is a 1 place. It is more than 5. Understood? More than 5. That means 9 become 10. 9 become 10 means here 10. 5 plus 1, it becomes 600. Therefore, again we have to subtract 1,08,730 minus 47,600. 0, 3, 6 minus 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 7, again 1. You have to borrow, that is 10 minus 4, 6. The final answer is 61,130. The final answer 61,130. Here you have to be very careful regarding these two things. Clear? Because regarding the 9, it is more than 5. That means 9 become 10. 10 become next digit, we can count like that. Understood? That becomes 5 plus 1. Total it becomes 600. Therefore, it is a 600. Now, this is the exercise 1.3 second main 2 problem. Now, these are the 2 problems you have to try. It is for HW. Next, we are moving on exercise 1.3 last main, that is third main. Next, exercise 1.3 last main, that is third main. Regarding third main, estimate the following product using the general rule. You already know that general rule, nothing but we have to round off for 1000 plus. If 1000 plus not there means you have to round off for 10 plus. 10 plus not there means you have to round off for, sorry, after 1000 plus you have to round off for 100 plus. If 100 plus not there means you have to round off for 10 plus. Like that you have to estimate by using the general rule. 2 problem I will show. Again these 2 problem it is for HW. See here. Again we have to round up for 1000 plus. Here we have to round up for 100 plus. Here we have to round up for 1000 plus. In this last one we have to round up for 10 plus. Because no 100 plus, no 1000 plus. That time you have to round up for 10 plus. Now need to observe it. Same as it is. Here no 1000 plus. That means you have to round up for 100 plus. Here 100 is plus digit is 5. Now we have to see the 10 plus. It is more than 5. That means 5 becomes 6. It is 600. Next 10 plus. Again it is more than 5. 1 becomes 2. That is 200. Now we have to multiply 600 into 200. If 0 0 there means you can easily multiply. 2 6 are 12. 2 0 2 0. Total 4 0. Now this is the first one answer. It becomes 1,20,000. Like that you have to try second one. See here. Now we have to go into round up for 1000 place. Here 100 place it is 2. Below 5. That means 5 becomes 5,000. Into. Again we have to round up for 1000 place. Here 100 place is 4. Below 5. 3 becomes 3. That becomes 3,000. Now just you multiply these 2 digits. 5 3s are 50. 3 plus 3. Total 60. Now this is the answer for exercise 1.3 third main first and second problem. Like that you have to try the C and D problem. That means your first chapter knowing our number it is finished. In the next class I will give one slip test. Clear? Therefore, you have to complete the CWO and complete the SWO. Send the photocopy to the group. Okay, thank you. Thank you, one and all.